ఈ టెంపుల్ని కట్టడానికి దాదాపు 103 సంవత్సరాలు అంటే 103 సంవత్సరాలు టైం పట్టింది. అంటే
ఫ్రమ్ హియర్ ఫేస్ షుడ్ బి 1/7 ఆఫ్ ద 1/7 ఆఫ్ ద బాడీ. వన్ హ్యాండ్ వన్ సైడ్. 1 2 3.
గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ బేలూరు. నైట్ వచ్చే వరకు చాలా లేట్ అయిపోయింది. 3 కల్లా రీచ్ అయినాం. రూమ్ తీసేసుకున్నాం పక్కనే. పర్లేదు, డబుల్ బెడ్ తోటి అడ్జస్టబుల్. హాట్ వాటర్ ఉన్నాయనేసరికి తీసుకున్నాం. అండ్ రూమ్ నుంచి బయటకు రాగానే వ్యూ డైరెక్ట్గా టెంపుల్ కనిపిస్తుంది. సో లేట్ చేయకుండా టెంపుల్లోకి వెళ్ళిపోదాం. ఈ పప్పు ఐటమ్ ఉంది కదా, దీన్ని బిస్బెల్ బాత్ అంటారు, 60 రూపీస్. అండ్ ఇంకోటి పలావ్ ఒకటి. 2 ఐటమ్స్ నిజంగా చెప్తున్నా సూపర్ టేస్టీ ఉన్నాయి. ఇక్కడ స్పెషల్ కూడా ఇవే అంట, సూపర్ ఉన్నాయి టేస్టీ అయితే. థ్యాంక్ యూ. టిఫిన్స్ ఒక రేంజ్లు ఉన్నాయంటే రేంజ్లు ఉన్నాయి. ప్రైస్ చాలా తక్కువ, టేస్ట్ మాత్రం చాలా ఎక్కువ. కరెక్ట్ టెంపుల్కి లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్లోనే సుముఖా వెజ్. టెంపుల్ చెన్నకేశ్వర స్వామి టెంపుల్. దీన్ని 1200 శతాబ్దంలో కట్టిరు. కృష్ణవర్ధని అనే ఒక రాజు చోళుల మీద విజయం సాధించిన తర్వాత ఈ టెంపుల్ని కట్టించాడు. ఈ టెంపుల్ని కట్టడానికి దాదాపు 103 సంవత్సరాలు అంటే 103 సంవత్సరాలు టైం పట్టింది. అంటే ఒక జనరేషన్ కాదు, 3 జనరేషన్లు కలిస్తే ఈ టెంపుల్ కంప్లీట్గా ఫినిష్ అయింది. అప్పటి వరకు ఈ టెంపుల్ ఫినిష్ కాలేదు. ప్లస్ ఇంకోటి, ఈ టెంపుల్ ప్రతి ఒక్క స్టోన్ కానీ ప్రతి ఒక్క పార్ట్ చిన్న బాటమ్ నుంచి ఎండ్ వరకు ప్రతి ఒక్కటి ఇంటర్లాకింగ్ సిస్టమ్ తోటి, అంటే ఇంటర్లాకింగ్ ఏ సిమెంట్ ఏది వాడుగా ఇంటర్లాకింగ్ సిస్టమ్ తోటే కట్టిరు మొత్తం. అండ్ ఇంకో విషయం వస్తే ఆల్మోస్ట్ 900 సంవత్సరాలు పైగా పురాతనమైన టెంపుల్. చూసాయి ఈ రాయి ఉంది కదా, ఇది మట్టిలో ఉన్నంతసేపు దీన్ని సోక్ స్టోన్ అంటారు. సో మట్టిలో భూమిలో నుంచి తీసేంత వరకు ఇది చాలా మెత్తగానే ఉంటుంది. తీసిన తర్వాత మెల్లమెల్లగా హార్డ్ అయిపోతుంది. సో
called Channa Keshava in local language. Okay. Channa means in local language handsome or pretty.
Oh.
So Keshava is to have different 1000 name. First name Keshava, so called Channa Keshava means handsome Vishnu. This temple correctly date 1117 AD, 12th century temple. Already, actually according to archaeology report, that people took 103 years to build this temple. 3 generation. That time here very famous dynasty ruled Hoysala. At the same time in Andhra Kakatiya, in Chola Tamil Nadu. Here Hoysala. Hoysala famous king Vishnuvardhana. He started build the temple, but and his son Narasimha Ballala, grandson Veera Ballala. Totally they took 103 years with 3 generations. And from here it looks like a rock temple, but whole temple looks like a rock. It's not a rock. It's made by number of pieces. Like an interlock system. That means still whole temple possible to dismantle and also possible to reassemble. మొత్తం ఒకే రాయి కాదు, అలగ్ అలగ్ పీసెస్. అండ్ పూరా బడప రాయి, సోప్ స్టోన్. ఈ స్టోన్ వెన్ ది స్టోన్ అండర్ ద ఎర్త్ దట్ టైమ్ వెరీ సాఫ్ట్. ఆఫ్టర్ అట్మాస్ఫియర్ ఇట్స్ బికమ్ ఏ హార్డ్ అండ్ హార్డ్. Hoysala dynasty, that boy killing the lion. Behind the statue we have wonderful story. You know, those days we don't have any college school. That time school, college, institute means Gurukula, hermitage in jungle. So one day teacher teaching the lesson to children. Unfortunately, one lion attacked there. Every boys afraid and ran away. But this boy not afraid. Very brave. His name Salah. So teacher see that boy braveness and he give the sword and he uttered one word loudly to kill the lion. Like why Salah? Why means in our local language meaning beat or kill. Local language beat or kill. That person kills the lion. Then he started dynasty. Then we call Vaisala dynasty. And also this is emblem of the Vaisala dynasty. There you can see Vishnu, carrier of Lord Vishnu, Garuda, man eagle. Then Vishnu fourth incarnation, Narasimha. और आपका दोनों भुजा में सर्कल है ना गोल गोल both side. So inside the circle you notice Vishnu 10 incarnation. First you can see bottom fish, Matsya. Second one tortoise, Kurma, Varaha, Narasimha, Vamana, Parshuram, Shri Ram, Krishna, Buddha, Kalki. Kalki yet to come, Kali Yuga.
Yeah.
And both side you can see the one animal. From here it look like an elephant. It is not an elephant. That is imaginary animal. Kalpanika prani, Makar. You can see pig body, lion legs, monkey eyes, curve ear, crocodile mouth, elephant trunk, and feather like a peacock. And the entire panel whole thing carved in one stone, sir. Okay, Rai, Mottam, here to there. But already told you now our temple famous for Bharatanatyam. This is like this we have small, big, totally 10,000 statue. Among the 10,000 master pieces 42. This is first one, lady with mirror. There you can see the mirror. She holding a mirror. There you can see the frame, handle. The lady after her makeup, she waiting for her husband, but he is not in time. That lady disappointment. Can you see the face expression? Yes. Like a sadness, viraha bhava. Here you can see the small little she holding a small monkey in a left hand hip. Can you see this, sir? From here it looks like a baby, that actually monkey, baby monkey. And right hand you can see bunch of grapes. But attender simply showing the grape to the monkey. She not gave to eat it. No. That time that monkey disappointment. Comparison like that. Beauty and the mirror, monkey and the grapes. So whole thing single piece. There you can notice some little damage, sir. Hand broken, jewelry broken. This is also vandalism. Here nobody attacked here, sir. Like a Kilji Malika, here not attacked, only in Alabidu. Okay. This is vandalism. The local people. It was built like this one. Yes. But how falling from finger? Falling from finger. Understand, sir? Nose, from nose, breast, and finger, then leg finger, then down. You can see from here it looks like a cross, but the whole thing made by same line. What we call alignment, symmetry. Shikara. This is called Shikara. Inside Shikara we have Vishnu different forms. In this position we called, this is God, Shridhara form. Like Keshava, Madhava, Achyuta. This is Shridhara. This is court scene of King Vishnuvardhana, who built this temple. King Vishnuvardhana, court Vishnuvardhana, Darbar. Yes, here second statue, sir. Shukabashi, the lady with pet parrot. So those days we don't have any protection. I'm sorry, we don't have any mobile service, laptop. Right? So that people used to vision our parent to send the message as a messenger. Shukabashi. In Telugu, अच्छा बात किया तो बोलते हैं ना राम अच्छी लगता है. Sweet language. So you can see here, like this all around the temple we have 644 elephants. All are different. None are alike. Illa raka raka undi. Enagalu. Okay. Here you can notice empty place. Here also we have statues. So before independence, nearly 82 statues stolen by people. 82. This also lock, sir. You can see the lock. Yeah. We can see the lock. So it's possible to remove. Yes. That's why. And you can see this is Vasanta Krida holy dance. On the right hand there was a big piston, syringe. Okay. That also broken. But side by a small attender, she helping her. There you can see small attender filling the water from the bucket, color water. There you can see piston, syringe. Small. And man, that is syringe like this. Color festival, Ranga Pancham. Yeah. This is Kiravani. Kira means bird. Here you can see bird. Here you can see the letter. Vani means letter. I mean matter. Here you can see small attendant. She wearing a modern dress. Today we call like what Bermuda 3-4. That means nothing new. Everything gold. History repeats. Those days name Urudama, but today we call modern name Bermuda.
Bermuda.
So Markata Mohini. Markata means monkey. Mohini means beautiful lady. Here you can see small monkey pulling her sari. I mean dupatta. That time you can see face like a hangry. And he holding a small stick and she ready to beat the monkey. But that monkey not afraid. She laughing. That monkey laughing.
Yes.
That we can see you can notice.
We can see
monkey
the smile. Yes.
teeth also. Smiling and teeth also. This lady hunter. There you can see the bowser.
Yeah.
There is a broker. You can see the on the filigree there is a small birds. So lady hunter. Sir, in Halebeedu you can find only mythical story, Ramayana, Mahabharata, like that. But our temple famous for like this, Bharatanatyam.
Okay.
So Vishnuvardhana built this temple, memory of Queen Shantala. She was not any dynasty lady, common lady, but very beautiful, very famous for Bharatanatyam. There you can see that lady after her bath, she is squeezing her hair. That time you can see end of the hair, there is a water drops also collected. It looks like a bubbles, that actually water drops. Both sides symbol of attender. Small one, that is symbol. Attender, small. Here, Tribhangi, whole body you can see 3 different angle. You can see the legs one side, and kamar, what we call waist, one side, and with the drum hand one side. 1, 2, 3. 3 bhangi. And she wearing a hara, mala, garland. This is called Vaijayanti in Sanskrit. You know Vaijayanti in Sanskrit meaning? Mala. Mala means okay. Tulsi mala.
Tulasi mala.
Tulsi mala.
Yes.
Krishna Bhagwan को बहुत प्रिय है. Here Bhairavi, form of Parvati. You can see the skull hand में, sir.
Yes.
Inside the skull completely hollow. You can see the through. There is a gap.
Yeah.
That was made by same stone.
Same
not
stone.
a number of pieces. Same stone. One piece. Here lady drummer. She. You can see the hand inside the rope. You can see the rope. It look like from here. It look like a nylon dory बोलता है ना रस्सी. Like that. You can see the thread also. So like this way, masterpieces 42. Among the 42, 13 female, only 3 male figure. This is first male. I mean Murali, Krishna, flute play कर रहा है ना. You can see the topi. It look like a Roman cap. You can see the earrings without design. You can see the hairstyle like a Shankakruti. Here you can see sir, curly hair, long hair. We have here one more different hairstyle like ponytail, bob cut. We have everything. That's why today history repeats. You can see the dress. Today we call like a what we called mini skirt. On the midi there is a printed design. Both side veil. And you can see the upper portion, sir. You can see the dress, 2 colors. You can see the middle belt. Today we call like a night gown, bathrobe. But चित्र कारीगर सर पिक्चरल विचार है. ये सुंदर लड़का है. A beautiful guy. He loving a donkey faced lady. We don't have any donkey faced lady in Srishti. But here we have one shloka. Prapteshu shodashe varshe gardabhavi apsar bhave. So that meaning at the age of 16, donkey faced lady also look like a angels. But only boys. 16 साल उम्र में जवानी में गर्दाभाभी सुंदर लगता है. Chickali, lizard. Can you see that? Lizard. Again you can see just in front of the mouth there is a small dot, that is jackfruit. Padasabandu. On the fruit you can see a small fly. Eagle. जो स्वीट खाने के लिए मक्की खाने के लिए कुछ. Today we call Devo Devasya Jeevanam. That means food child. Survival opportunity. This is not Darwin theory. Outer theory.
పనస పండు దాని మీద ఈగ
బల్లి.
తినడానికి బల్లి ఫుడ్ చైన్.
Food chain. Today we call it Darwin theory. That was our theory. There you can see the stone string. That also broken. And you can see the creeper work. It look like a paper cutting. 3-dimensional. 3D one. Here you can see Vaisala social life. Here, तो person दंगल guzzling कर रहा है. Audience, you can see the topi like a monkey cap. This is again repeated. This one already shown there. Lady hunter. Here you can see this is second male figure. You can see the decoration from here. It's look like a joker, buffoon. And here, sir, we divided two parts our temple. Like this. This is first part, human things only. Raja, Rani, Bharatanatyam. This is separate, godly things only. Like Nara, Narayana, Jivatma, Paramatma. You can see Shiva Parvati, Vishnu, Lakshmi, Narayana. Basically, this is Vishnu temple. That's where you can notice here very more statue. This all Vishnu, Lakshmi, Janardana, Keshava, Harihara, Govinda, Narayana, Pradyumna, Sankarshana. Last one Surya Narayana. This is Jalandhara. Jalandhara was a demon. So Shiva killing the demon Jalandhar. Here Smashan Kali. From here it looks like a skeleton. In our body we don't have any more blood. Our body look like a
Skeleton.
You can see. Only skeleton. Dashakanta Ravana. One time he lifted Kailash mountain on his head. Here you can see the Ravana's head. So on the head there is a Shiva Parvati, Nandi, Gana, whole mountains. So this all created by one stone. Here you can see balcony, those days, first floor. You can see second floor. Here you can notice gap. Under we have some place like a sit out. This is elephant. Like this we have total 644 elephants, sir. All around the temple. All are different. None are alike. That is elephant symbol of strength. Lion symbol of courage. And here you can see the horse. That is symbol of speed. Strength, courage and speed. There you can see, you open the stomach, demon's stomach, and she wearing a intestine, like a garland. That's intestine, pagan. This is Varaha. This one creator God Brahma, sir. Brahma ji ka Ganta. You can see the kite from here is look like a metallic, that is a stone. Here Ashtakuja Ganesha, 8-handed Ganesha, 8-handed, he dancing and rag. This is broken. So from temple, puja not doing, sir. Only local peoples, like exam Ganesha, Pariksha Ganesha, I think in Andhra, Visa Balaji, like that. So Shiva killing demon Gajasura, and he is sharing, the Shiva after killing the Gajasura, you can see that from here. So elephant skin, and you can see the leg, Shiva wearing like a cloth, so called Gajacharmambara Dhari. Here Nagaraja, Nagarani snake couples. This is Bhairava, form of Shiva. Here you can see the importantly slipper. Today we called high heel, platform, religious. Those days Paduka. Wife temple, Shri Devi, Lakshmi. Here you can see Bhudevi, Ranganayaki. One more Vishnu, closed, Veera Narayana. That is open hall, marriage hall, Kalyana Mandapam. Before COVID, they are going a marriage, but now not. Now this is closed. Their pujari is leave. Here you can see Janardana. This is also Vishnu. You see Janardana. So come this side. You can see the top. There is a Kama Sutra. Right. So because Kama Sutra also part of life and education. This is not a temple, like a university. That's why in our temple you can notice Kama Sutra. Star shaped. Here see. Corner. You can see top there also. So from helicopter Trishis dekhe to why like a Shri Chakra, Shri Yantra. Hairstyle like a wheel. You see the ribbon. She holding a fruit. Or walking style like a catwalk. Both side small children. You can see the pet doggy with children. Walking lady. Those days. Health is wealth. No concept. Yeah, 2-time puja, sir. Morning, evening. That is called Dvikala puja. After puja, the waters comes from here and going outside from here. Like a pranada, outlet. But it is later addition. Hard stone.
Okay.
Vishnu Paduka.
So this is Vishnu Padika.
Sometime inside not available to Darshanam. That time people coming here. This Varaha Murti. There you can see the Bhudevi. Sisita Bhudevi and killing Hiranyaksha. Hiranyaksha. Narasimha Hiranyakasha. These both Rati Manmata, love couples. It is the fruit, sugar cane, sweet. The symbol of sweetness. So called love couples. sweet couples. Yeah. Kamadeva. Arjuna Matsyantara Ved. You can see the aisle bow. The Arjuna seeing the reflection and the right the harrow. Then you can see the fish eyes.
Yes, yes.
And here this is a bow that was broken. Somebody says if you beat the body, there possible to hear some saptaswara. Like that, people make the noise.
Before independence.
हाँ यस सर, वो निकालने के लिए कोशिश के नहीं आया ना, तोड़ के गया. ये inscription, this is word Kannada sir, this is like our Telugu Kannada same lipi, but earth meaning change. This is like a Telugu but our word Kannada. So whole Isra temple, the history, so Raja, Rani, Kalakar, Chakkana, Dankana, everything. Or here 4 statue, only different forms. Different posters, no story, like different name. Mohika, Renuka, Chandrika, Rudrika, Raudra. This lady entered, after her entry she backing sir. That means you see small attender helping her. She carrying a dead animals. Can you see that? You can see light sir?
Yes, yes.
Okay, animals. Here you can see 2 more attender. You can see the one small attender leg. There is a thorn लगा है, उसको पिक कर रहा है, निकाल रहा है. Here we have one proverb like मालिक को नौकर, नौकर को चाकर, चाकर को चमचा, like PA to PA. दासी को छोटा दासी. Light. First you can see this spot. You can see this spot sir. There is a small pendant. పాపట్ పిల్ల ఉంది చూడండి సార్. That is కదిలిస్తే కదులుతుంది సార్. Up and down అవుతుంది.
ఒకసారి చూపెట్టండి ఇక్కడ.
Now sir, you can see the light sir. Okay. Now I remove the light. Now you can see. పాపడ్ పిల్ల కదిలిస్తే కదులుతుంది. ఇక్కడ చూడండి పక్షి ఉంది. ముందే చూడండి సార్ ప్యారెట్. సేమ్ బ్యాక్ సైడ్ పీకాక్ ఫెదర్. We have one meaning. A good dancer dance like a peacock, speak like a parrot. Already told you, Namachilika. Or you can see on the right hand, in the చేతిలో చూడండి రెండా గాజులో ఉంది. ముందా గాజులో కదులు రొటెండ్ అవుతుంది సార్. Still even today. It's not a fake fact. This one already shown there. Again you can see both hands she using and she is squeezing her hair. This is Apsara, very rich ornaments are here. Crown, earring, handful of bangle, kamarband, and you can see the bangle. You can see the behind the body there is a royal gown, dupatta. So here we have more than 500 statues like Mahabharata, different royal emblem, creeper, different magicians, filigree, Vishnu 101 different forms. Here you can see the one pillar. This is our temple keystone, sir, and also Trinity pillar we call it. First you can see below the pillar there is a Narasimha, there is Vishnu, preserver. You can see the lotus, petals, Brahma creator. Whole pillar look like an inverted position. After remove, this look like a Shivalinga. Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwara. So I already told our temple is still possible to dismantle. How Indian lady we have 4 different category.
Okay.
Astini, Chittini, Shankini, Padmini. This is Padmini. I mean most beautiful lady. So Padmini lady have some lakshana. What lakshana? Whole body. If you count from here, face should be 1/7 of the body. 1, 2, 3 like this. And nose should be 1/3 of the face like this. 1/3, 1/3, 1/3. Eyebrows look a rainbow called Kamakshi. Eyes look like a fish, Meenakshi. Face like a full moon, Chandramukhi. Lion waist, Simmakati. Here passing light. Not a flat foot, arch foot. Okay, lotus feet called. So from second finger longer than first finger, that is that lady dominating, commanding, controlling everything.
అప్పటి నుంచే డామినేషన్ స్టార్ట్ అయింది.
But lady lucky, after marriage you are unlucky. The statue and the creeper and pillar, whole thing carved in one stone. It look like a 3 different pieces, but whole thing same stone. Here Trimurti, Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwara, and you can see the gap. So today we have missionary, but not
That
possible
time
in missionary. So whole thing carved in one stone. The main artist, Jakkanna Dankanna, Tandri Kodu. Daily decoration making make a Stree, lady. Inke according to today also.
According
Because according to local legend, Vishnu took female form to kill the Bhasmasura in this
Bhasmasura.
place. That's the reason. Legendary story. This is this temple index, sir. This pillar summary. Inside, outside, what I show you, everything corroding in this stone. Simply. So according to archaeology report, before 300 days, among the 48 column, only it was possible to rotate. This is rotating pillar. You can see the gap. Stone ball bearing. See, full gap. Stone ball bearing. And as you can see, top there also. Here to there. But now not. Because top of the temple we have Shikaram. Now we cannot see. Because those days, that Shikaram by the bad weather fall down. Then collapse. We notice statues, but here empty. We have reason, God is everywhere. Nirakara. One more, the artist says, I am not a scholar. In future, anybody carved here. So challenge, but nobody comes. Somebody says, Belur Alibadi International Jewelry Casket. Like a box. So you can see this pillar, designed like a lotus, okay? Second one, umbrella. Third one, star. Last one, dimension. 48 pillars, everything changed. Here you can see the slipper, sir. Leather. Deer ka, sir. Vishnu slipper, sir. So Vishnu not using, only purpose puja. So 100 years old. This is made by leather. I mean deer leather. Jinka. Only for puja. No other stories. This Sheshanaga. Here we have car festival also, sir. In the month of April, car festival, Jatra. Approximately weight 15 ton. It has simply kept it, no binding. From here you can see there is a gap. Can you see this, sir? Through and through. And the three corner touching the base, this corner not touching the base. Completely kulla, open. You can see from here. Here you can see the completely gap. Okay, sir? So how to stand this pillar? We have three reasons. First reason, center of gravity. Then you can see second one, base as broad goes and tapering. So one more, our temple and totally Bangalore from sea level is height from like 300 feet, 900 meters. Bhukampa vagara, nothing. And you can see the Vastu, each direction, Purva, Darwaza hai. But we call Turpu. Eastern northeast, पानी के लिए तालाब, pond. This is southeast, kitchen and Pakashala. These are vehicle of procession.
దాదాపు 10,000కు పైగా శిల్పాలు చెక్కారు. అవన్నిటిని చూసి కంప్లీట్గా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయాలంటే ఆల్మోస్ట్ ఒక 1 డే టైం పడుతుందంట. అండ్ ఇంకోటి ఈ టెంపుల్ ఎవ్రీ 10 yearsకి ఒకసారి అంట కెమికల్ వాషింగ్ చేస్తారంట. ఎందుకంటే ఆ స్టోన్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదా మొత్తం ఖరాబ్ అయిపోకుండా. సో ఎవ్రీ 10 yearsకి ఒకసారి కెమికల్ వాషింగ్ చేయడం వల్లనే అది స్టిల్ ఇంకా ఈ కండిషన్లో ఉందంట. లేకపోతే ఎప్పుడో మెల్లమెల్లగా శిథిలావస్థకు వస్తున్నాయి అని చెప్పేసి అంటున్నారు పక్కన అడిగితే.